In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online store in Weebly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To start, you'll need to set up your Weebly account. If you're new to Weebly, go ahead and create a new account. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you're in, you'll come to a screen that presents you with a few different setup options. Make sure to select the one for a website with an online store. This is the most crucial step, as it sets the stage for everything else you'll do. After that, we need to define your brand. You'll see a prompt asking for your official store name. This will become your online brand, so think about what best represents your store. It should resonate with your target audience and reflect what you're selling. Don't rush through this part. It's important to get your name right. Next, it's time to configure your store details. You'll see options asking for your selling status. Choose an option that indicates if you're ready to start selling. You will also select the type of products you plan to sell. Are you selling physical goods, digital downloads, or maybe even services? This choice is critical as it helps Weebly recommend the right settings and layout templates that suit your business model. Now, if you're going to be shipping physical goods, you have the option to add your store's address. This step is really important for handling shipping logistics accurately. While it's not mandatory, I recommend adding your address to ensure a seamless experience for your customers. Once we've got that settled, let's dive into designing your store. Look for the Edit Site button. It's usually prominently placed. After clicking that, you'll be prompted to select a theme. Choose a theme that resonates with your brand's personality. There are so many options available, and this is where you can really let your creativity shine. When you've picked a theme that you love, click Start Editing. This will take you to the main Weebly editor. Now you see all those blank spaces waiting for your fresh content. Here, you can customize layouts, build out your product pages, and start uploading your images and descriptions. Take your time and explore different elements. Encourage colors and styles that best represent your brand. Adding high-quality images can significantly enhance the appeal of your product pages. People buy with their eyes, so make sure your photos are sharp and showcase your products effectively. As you build out your store, keep user experience in mind. Easy navigation can make or break sales. Make categories for your products, provide search options, and ensure it's easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Once you feel good about the layout and content, don't forget to preview your site. This lets you see everything from your customer's perspective before launching. When you're satisfied, hit the Publish button, and that's it. You now have your very own online store on Weebly. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and found it helpful, remember to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.